Are you new to crypto and don't know where to start? You don't have to guess. There's a system that makes it simple. The crypto code gives beginners clear guidance with ready-made trade alerts and proven strategies. You follow the system and it guides you towards smart trades with real results. It doesn't matter if you've never traded before. The platform is built for clarity, control, and consistency. Instead of noise and hype, you get a structured framework that works day after day. People using the system are building confidence and stacking wins week after week, making crypto approachable even for complete beginners. If you want to start trading smart from day one, sign up for the Crypto Code free workshop and get weekly trade alerts to help you start with confidence. Link in the description.